Want to customize your WordPress site? In this video, I'll quickly show you how to edit your WordPress homepage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. To start, open wordpress.com and log into your account. From the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Pages. Here you'll see a list of all the pages on your site. Find the one labeled Homepage or the page you've set as your front page. Click Edit to open the WordPress page editor. Now you can customize text, images and layout to match your style or brand. Use the editor tools to rearrange sections, add new content or tweak existing elements. Always preview your changes before publishing so you know exactly how it will look to visitors. Once satisfied, hit update to make it live. And that's it. Editing your homepage is simple once you know where to go. Practice often and you'll have a site that looks fresh and professional. Like this video if it helped and subscribe for more WordPress guides.